Operating Manual 1.10 Explanation of certain items. First is permanently locked points. These are found in non-interlocked yards or non-interlocked portions of interlocked yards. These points are used to isolate running lines from non-running lines and vice versa. Keys of such points shall be kept under the custody of the station master except when handed over for the purpose of any work at the point. The arrangement prevents any movement between the running and non-running lines without the permission of the station master. Second is isolation. It is the separation of stabling lines, loops, and sidings from main running lines by means of trap points, derail switches, snag dead ends, or sand humps. These mechanisms prevent stabled vehicles from running away onto the main running line. A line is said to be isolated from the adjacent line when any movement on the adjoining line cannot foul it. Third is panel interlocking. It is a system of power signaling where a lever frame is dispensed with. Small thumb switches or push buttons are provided for operation of signals and points. These are placed on an illuminated track diagram geographically in their respective positions. The interlocking is achieved electrically by means of relays. Fourth is route relay interlocking. It is a system of panel interlocking where the entire route is set by turning a switch or by pressing two buttons. One button is pressed at the entry and another at the exit of the route being displayed on the panel. The setting and holding of the route and interlocking is achieved through electrical relays. Fifth is electronic interlocking, otherwise known as solid-state interlocking. It is a modern system of interlocking where the interlocking is effected through customized hardware and software. This enables operation through push buttons on the panel board or by giving necessary commands on the keyboard and mouse. The yard layout is displayed on the visual display unit. The choice of operation, however, rests with the station master. Sixth is detectors. These are electrical or mechanical devices which prevent a signal being taken off unless the points which the signals protect are correctly set. In the case of facing points, detectors also ensure the points are locked. Detectors also prevent the points from being worked until the signal has been put back to on. Seventh is a facing points lock. It is a plunger bolt provided at the facing points which ensures that the points are correctly set and locked. This prevents the points from being moved unauthorizedly. Eighth is a facing point lock bar. It is a metal bar fitted near the facing point alongside the running rail. It is connected with the facing point lock lever in such a manner that the lever is prevented from being moved so long as vehicle wheels prevent the bar from being raised. Lock bars must not be less than 42 feet long for broad gauge. Ninth is a fouling bar. It is a bar provided at the fouling mark between two diverging lines. It prevents the points from being set and locked for a movement over one line while a train or vehicle is standing on the other line infringing the fouling mark. 10th is locking. A lever is said to be locked when in the normal position it cannot be pulled over. A lever is said to be locking another lever when owing to the former's remaining in normal or reverse position. The latter cannot be pulled over. 11th is track circuits. In this, the running rails are used as conductors of electric circuit. The current is fed from one end and a track relay is connected to the rails at the other end of the track. There are two types of track circuits, closed and open. In the closed track circuit, which is normally employed in yards, the relay is normally kept energized. When a train enters the track-circuited section, the axle of the wheel provides an easier path for the current. With the result, the track relay drops, thereby replacing the relevant signals. The open track circuits are usually of shorter lengths. These are provided for release of block instrument locks. Occupation of wagon axle completes the circuit, thereby actuating the track relay.
For track circuit refer General Rule 10 to 57.